A devastating fire broke out on Sunday in the Parashuram Bari area under the jurisdiction of the Champaora police station Kuwai, completely gutting a local smokehouse. The incident resulted in a total destruction of the smokehouse structure and the incineration of the valuable material stored inside. The entire smokehouse, a facility typically used for curing rubber seeds, was reduced to ashes. A large quantity of rubber seeds stored within the facility was completely burned and destroyed in the village. The exact cause of the fire has not yet been determined, and the extent of the financial loss is currently under assessment. Upon receiving the information, fire tenders rushed to the spot and after a considerable effort, managing to bring the inferno under control, preventing the fire from spreading to adjacent properties. Authorities from the Champaora police station have initiated an investigation into the incident. Bureau Report Chini Khorang.